Hello friends, as we all that the South Dinajpur district has many places of historical interest and this place is one of them it. A Mauja Manoholi is Topon police station of South Dinajpur district of West Bengal state of India. The ancient history of Bengal is associated with this Manoholi. The famous Manoholi copper plate was recovered from here. Manoholi is also called Manoholi by many people according to the Manoholi copper plate. Madanapala donated a village of crores to a Brahmin as a reward for reciting the Mahabharata to his chieftain Rani Chitramatika Devi. That village is known today as Manoholi. Jomidar Tarachand Banerjee built a picturesque mansion and built a settlement in the area, exploiting the dreaded Dakat gang local to the area. Manoholi is a village rich in archaeology. Often images of gods and goddesses emerge from the ground. It is here that the memory of Raja Ban is Vajrit Bandhi. Thank you, friends.